Hello, this is Kevin Barton. It's January 10th, Friday, and earlier this morning I was mentioning the spike in channel down move, and I was trying to get a double bottom in this area, but there's a couple things, couple clues that should have warned us that that probably wasn't going to happen. Uh, the first one is if we look at the daily chart. Here's the daily chart, and if you noticed, the open occurred above the previous day, and whenever price is above a previous day or above anything, you have to be cautious of buying. Same thing if a bar is below a previous day, you have to be worried about, you have to be cautious about selling. That the old saying to buy low, sell high is a perfect example up here. This is obviously considered maybe buying high, so we got to be cautious because we're opening above a previous bar. There's going to be profit takers and shorts initiated. Same thing with below bars. We're going to have short covering and buying, just like right here. This went below the bar and we went up. Even here, we went way below a bar, and then that big tail suggests that the buying occurred. We were low below this bar, and we bought. And then look at this bar. We went above it, and the selling initiated. So right away, you got to be cautious when you're in opening long positions above bars. It just has an inherent danger to it. Even this one. We went above and then we sold off. Here's an example of below and we bought. So they're all over the place. And I'll make another video really honing in on that concept. So right off the bat, from the beginning of today, we have to be cautious that the market is above yesterday's high. So be cautious on the buy side in that aspect. So back to the intraday and this breakout pullback failure where I was looking for a buy. So back to the intraday chart. This right here is the opening, as you could see. A warning sign to be careful for buying is already this big red bar from the start, the first 5 minutes. Okay, and then as I mentioned, we got the spike in channel, and I was looking for a breakout pullback. Where the long started becoming suspicious, I believe, is first of all, this buy area, this first buy is not really a good buy setup. We got some dojis and then a big bull bar, and then so I call this the spike, and then the channel phase, and then the market usually likes to pull back to the channel, and that's where right here buyers start looking for buys, but we have a double top up here, and then we broke. But if you look closely at these bars, they're closing on their bottoms. So it seems like the big boys are starting to be holding their shorts, especially this big bar right here. That big bar with no bullish counter follow through definitely makes you got to be cautious looking to buy. And not only that, it never broke above the 20 EMA moving average to show some bullish might. It did up here, but it was kind of short-lived, and instead of continuing up, it trapped some bulls in and trapped some both bears on this bar, trapped the bears in, and it trapped the bulls in. It trapped the bulls in, the bears out, and then you got double pressure, and that's where you get the continuous selling. And instead of finding a double bottom in this area like I was looking for, the bears got what they wanted, and they got their measured move. And here's their measured move, which they achieved. If you go leg 1, leg 2, right down there, perfect AB equals CD leg, right down to the bottom. So good day for the bears. Man, if you could hold short, you made many points today. Even if you're brave enough to short down here on this double top, take it, put the stop above here, and hold it until some bulls show some strength. Like I mentioned, maybe get on top of this moving average. It never happened. So if you could short and hold it, uh, you had a great day. Measured move. Look at that perfect measured move. There you have it. AB equals CD. Almost a perfect equal move. Uh, Please check back to my video Monday. My target for the move up, that was 3,285. I believe the market came within a point of that target. Check out that video, the 3-minute video I posted. I marked this pivot around 3,285. Check that video out. I think it's pretty interesting that I came within a point of that target. Have a good weekend.